Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and slightly putting up this Rubbermaid Resin outdoor shed. This is a 7 by 7 foot with the included floor. Alright, so right here we have this 7 foot by 7 foot resin outdoor shed. This one here is water resistant. It has a grate for an upgrade of your backyard. So we have our parts right here. You've got the windows, the doors, the frame. And then right here is part of the shingles on top of the roof. So this one here is a really nice shed. I've put up sheds before. This one was a little bit different than the other sheds. These ones actually kind of sit in these little holes on the side. Unfortunately, they do not lock like the Suncasts do, which I like the ones when they do lock on the side. So right here we've got the whole sides around up. You can see the little bolts in the back. Those here just clip in to hold all the frame together. Then we have poles at the top. This one here has a maximum of 100.5 inches. This does do a lot of storage. Well, I actually put mine up for another chicken coop. I used another storage shed for a chicken coop, but this one here is actually a bigger one that can house a lot more chickens. This one here I like is all-weather performance, so whether it's raining, sun, snowing, or it's just cold, this one here is a really nice shed. The shed itself was easy to put together. The roof was a little bit harder, especially if you're doing it by yourself, but it is kind of easy if you have somebody else to help you. As you can see right now, I have my ladder in there getting ready to put the roof on. So you've got the left and right side, and then you've got the little windows at the top, and then the other roof part at the bottom. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this all together and then come back once this is pretty much all together, and then I'll add the doors on. So right here I did finally add the doors on. I added the front panel of the roof, so it gives a little bit more details, and you've got the little handles here. So if this shed is not completely flat, it's a little harder to open up the shed. You can see the floor is right there included in it. And then here's the door. You got these little bars right here. Make sure you put them in the right place. And then also the handles, before you tie in the handles and that bar, make sure you put them all together. So right here I've got both doors on the back and the first roof. So now I'm going to be working on the other roof. And then if you step on inside right here, you can see it's a really nice size shed. Right now you can see with the door closed right here. I had to clean it out with the broom because it got really dusty in here. So this is the other part of the roof. These here lock the panels in together on all sides. So we just got to put the left, right side, and then the back side, and then the windows up in the front. All right, so now we have the two left and right panels. You got that side right there, and then all we have left is the back side and the little windows that go right up here in the front. That was actually super easy to put on. I had a little difficulty on the left and right side only because it's not completely leveled, but right here it is completely finished. I've got the total roof on with the little windows up here. This is a really nice, good size shed. If you're looking for a shed for outside, whether it's storing something or turning it into a chicken coop, I would highly recommend checking this one out. As you can see right here, I have all the roof up and it has the windows up at the top. I've added a camera in here as well as a couple of solar panels because I'm turning this into a chicken coop. So if you are looking for a nice shed, I would highly recommend checking this one out.